So with some of the organization that I'm doing right now, I need to weld some custom brackets and shelves. And my welder was giving me the fritz, and I realized that, you know what, the liners inside your welding whip, they're a consumable. So I ordered a 2-pack off Amazon, and we're gonna go ahead and swap this out. So I think the first thing we're gonna wanna do, release our tension, pull out our guide, lift open this wheel here, and then we're just gonna pull this wire through the gun. I've got this little knob here that tightens this end of the whip. Just have to loosen it off. Don't think you have to take it all the way out. And then right here, we're gonna undo this little switch thingy. Just like that. Now we're gonna take this to a long workbench. All right. Now what we're gonna do is, the thing that holds this liner in is a little set screw, a little Allen screw right here. This one here is a 5/64. Loosen that off. Again, I don't think this has to come all the way out. It'll probably help if we get this straight-ish. Okay, so there's our old liner. And we are going to size up the new one. I do believe these come a little bit long. Yes, they come very, very long. Double check, that looks to be about the same. The new one's a little bigger. I don't think that'll be a problem. Oh my word, they give you a lot extra. Like twice what you need. Okay, so on a cleanish shop floor, just lay out your liners. Look at that, they give us, we got like 6 feet extra. Oh, looks pretty good. Just mark that out. Right there. And I'm actually going to do a test cut on this end to see. I don't know if I just use snips to cut it or if I want to actually grind it. Looks like they just snipped it. So let's just test this. Oh yeah, that cuts clean. Should be plenty good. Where was our mark? Right there. So I'm going to cut it right there. Beauty. Nice clean cut. We just put this back in. And we start feeding. Try and keep it straight. I might need to take the end off the gun there. Yeah. Probably have to take this off. I don't know if that's going to be stopping. Oh, I kinked this one. This isn't good. What is going on? Shoot. What is happening? I don't even know what's going on here. Ha! How-to video, huh? Let me see. Well, I don't know if you've ever experienced this or not, but you'll be messing with something on camera and it's not working. As soon as you shut off the camera, it just works. So what I actually did is I laid this out straight on the floor, and that seemed to make a difference. So we've got our liner in, so we'll tighten this down. Hopefully the length is correct. If not, we can just trim it here. And then this will go on. Now, I do have a new one of these, but I'm gonna keep using this one because it's not in bad shape. There we go. Tighten that back up. And we're going to put a new tip on there. Now, I'm not an expert welder. You see, it's just basically right at the end there. I'm going to see what it feels like when I tighten this on. It feels like it should be pretty good. And then we'll assemble it all and see if it welds better. I think it absolutely should. Okay, we'll head over yonder. So now slide this into here. Beauty. Tighten it up. And then put this back in. Tighten that up. And while we're here, we're going to thread on a new roll of wire. I'm guessing it's top feed. Okay. This is the part that always has me nervous, because if you've ever unsprung one of these, you can waste a lot of wire real quick. Okay, good. Okay, I'll put on our guide plate. You do need to order these liners for the size of a wire. So this one's a 25 thou to 35 thou wire. Now we should be good. Let's plug it in and find out. Feel it? It's almost there. There we go. Cool. Okay. Now let's actually weld something and see if it's better. Pretty sure this is going to weld much better than it was before. Oh yeah. That is much better. Beautiful. We're back in business. It's absolutely crazy how big of a deal, how big of a difference that makes. Not the prettiest weld in the world, but it's coming out smooth, it's coming out clean, so that's what I like.